guys, what is up? I'm Casey. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel, Casey Mindful, where I talk about all things living mindfully. I'm super excited to announce that I'll actually be doing a vegan Thanksgiving recipe series for you guys this month. I'll be sharing 2 super easy Thanksgiving sides, 1 decadent dessert, and of course, 1 hearty main course. After 4 years of cooking and creating recipes without animal products, I know what works and what doesn't. So I would love to share these creations with you because I know you want to show your non-vegan friends and family just how good vegan alternatives can be. The first recipe we'll jump into is my vegan jalapeno bacon cheese ball. That's right, cheese ball. And it's super easy to make, very customizable, and very affordable depending on how many different accent snacks you want to add to your cheese board. But before we jump into the video and what you'll need, go ahead and like this video so you can easily reference the recipe later on whenever you're grocery shopping. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe so you can tune into all of my upcoming Thanksgiving recipes this month. Alright guys, let's do this. Alright guys, to start we're going to begin by making the coconut bacon. All you'll need are coconut chips. I chose the lightly salted version. Liquid smoke, the natural mesquite flavor. 100% pure maple syrup. Paprika or smoked paprika. Coconut oil, preferably virgin coconut oil. And last but not least, coconut aminos or soy sauce would work. Coconut aminos are just a great allergen-friendly alternative. Now, literally all we'll do is mix everything together. So, about 2 tablespoons of your coconut aminos or soy sauce. I'm just trying to scrape the bottom of mine. And then 1 tablespoon of liquid smoke. 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. Beautiful, beautiful. And it's supposed to be a ½ teaspoon of paprika, but I always just kind of eyeball stuff like this, as you can tell from me using just a big spoon and not measuring spoons. Then you'll add about 2 cups of the coconut chips or flakes. Mix it all together, making sure they're well coated in the seasoning or sauce, whatever you want to call it. Now we're going to prepare our coconut bacon to cook, so we will warm up the oven to 325 degrees, and you're just going to spread out your coconut flakes all over your baking pan, greased with coconut oil. If you have parchment paper, you can actually do an oil-free version of this recipe if you prefer. And then we'll bake for about 10 to 15 minutes, checking and rearranging all the pieces every 3 to 5 minutes so you don't overcook any of them. Now, for the rest of the cheese ball, you'll need 1 clove of garlic, about a cup of diced green onion, 2 jalapenos, 8 ounces of cream cheese, and I used the Daiya plain flavor. You'll use all of it. And then you'll need about 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. I went again with Daiya. And we'll be using some garlic to taste, as well as black pepper and some garlic salt. Then you'll literally just put all of the cream cheese and all of the shredded cheese and seasoning into the blender, and then about 2/3 of the rest of the toppings. You'll save the 1/3 of your other toppings to sort of coat on the outside once you've formed your cheese ball with your hands, or you can wrap it in saran wrap. That's a little bit easier. You'll put your cheese in the refrigerator overnight and then take it out about 20 minutes before serving so it can soften. And I will put a clear description and a list of ingredients in the description of this video. Finally, be as creative as you want with putting together your cheese board. Oftentimes, there are different varieties of meats, cheeses, nuts, pretzels, crackers, and both fresh and dried fruit. So have fun, guys, and I'll add the list of what I actually used in this image in the description as well. Happy creating, guys!